Here is a wonderful 2014 Ram 2500. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Ram 2500 has what it takes to get the big jobs done right. It's infused with heavy-duty capability, connected, convenient, comfortable, and built to last. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, four-wheel drive, wood grain interior trim, cooled front seat, satellite radio, backup camera. Don't take risks in a truck that's not up to the task. Get the Ram 2500 and power up.